Well, the observations that were made by the judge was his personal opinion, but what one can understand is that it's based on a petition that was filed by one Mr. Joseph. It was a public interest litigation that was filed before the Madras High Court, and it was taken up by the Vacation Court. And the judge has made his observations, his personal opinion, because even if the judge of a sitting judge of a Madras High Court is actually feeling that he too has some kind of doubts about the circumstances leading to former Chief Minister Jayalalitha's death, then one can understand about what is going in the minds of a common man. So that is the kind of feeling that one gets when the judge has made these observations. Because if you look at social media, there have been several conspiracy theories that have been doing rounds, and people have been demanding answers. Because all this happened is because there was no transparency that was maintained during those 75 days. Absolutely no information was shared. Only Apollo Hospital press releases were given out, and there was no explanation from the Tamil Nadu government. So probably these are the reasons why people have been demanding answers. In fact, actress Gautami had also written a letter to Prime Minister, 2 letters to Prime Minister, demanding answers from them as to what exactly happened and how did former Chief Minister Jayalalitha die. So these were the questions that were raised by many. There were some activists who had gone to the court, filed petitions demanding probe, and there have been multiple petitions filed in this regard. So right now, this petition that was filed by one Mr. Joseph demands that there needs to be a commission of inquiry, or a retired judge of the Madras High Court should actually inquire into those details as to what led to the circumstances and what happened in those 75 days in the Apollo Hospital. Now, the Madras High Court judge making his observations very clear that he personally feels that there is some kind of ambiguity in this matter. So now it's the onus is on the Tamil Nadu government and the AIADMK to come out and clarify, and the Apollo hospitals as well, because these are the people who are dealing with this. And though the AIIMS doctors were also involved in this treatment, experts from London were brought, experts from Singapore were brought. So the Apollo hospitals has a larger role to play here, and they need to now inform the people as to what exactly was ailing the former Chief Minister Jayalalitha, what was the line of treatment given, and who validated the line of treatment, and whether there was some kind of protocol that was followed. Because all these days we were informed that whenever the head of a state is admitted in a hospital, there is some kind of protocol that needs to be followed, and that's the reason why AIIMS doctors were also involved in the treatment process. So now the judge of a Madras High Court making these observations is extremely serious, and now the onus is on the AIADMK leadership to come out with some kind of clarification as to what exactly happened and what are the circumstances that led to the death of former Chief Minister Jayalalitha.